The reference against Justice Isa. Justice Isa is accused of misconduct. The misconduct he is allegedly accused of is supposedly a misdeclaration of assets. And the bar that is being set is that if a prime minister or if a politician can be dismissed for a misdeclaration, then this misdeclaration, then this judge is also guilty of said misdeclaration. The accusation comes from Isa Saab's wife having a property abroad, or because of her nationality having certain interests abroad that Isa Saab forgot to declare or did not declare in his assets to the state. The Additional Attorney General for Pakistan, based in the province of Sindh, the senior most law officer of the Federation in the province, Zahid F. Ibrahim Saab, resigned yesterday. And he said that this is blatantly an attempt to influence the independence of the judiciary. It is not an investigation of misconduct, because when you try to investigate misconduct, you have to also keep into account the reputation of the judge and the reputation he enjoys. And according to him and according to the Bar Association and community as a whole, Justice Isa enjoys a stellar reputation when it comes to his conduct. Accordingly, the Sindh High Court Bar Association passed a resolution condemning the reference, and it also supported Ibrahim Saab's resignation on principle. There are, however, two different camps with regards to how to deal with Isa Saab's reference, even amongst his supporters in the legal community. So there is a segment of lawyers who feel that this reference should be thrown out because it is nullified, because it cannot prima facie show a case against Justice Isa. And there is another body of lawyers who feel that this reference should be heard, it should be heard properly, it should be heard publicly, and it should be dismissed on the merits for the farce that it is. Also, the reason why this allegation of misdeclaration is seen as a form of malified act is that the Supreme Court, after deciding one way in Nawaz Sharif's case and then deciding different ways in different cases, currently stands upon a Khwaja Asif decision where his dismissal was overturned because Khwaja Asif's misdeclaration was seen to be one that wouldn't objectively be or clearly be seen to be malified. It was one that could be thought of as an afterthought or a mistake. So the Supreme Court currently stands on a misdeclaration if it is material, if it is something where it can be seen that your misdeclaration was to actually actively hide something rather than a mere error of accounts, then that shouldn't hold you liable to such a grievous accusation of misconduct. This reference went through the President of Pakistan and is being talked about because it's being leaked. It's being talked about even before it's been considered worthy of adjudication. It's being talked about with images, it's being talked about with what Isa Saab has himself written to the President saying amounts to character assassination. And he has also written asking not only for a copy of the reference but for his reply to it to be made public, because this is in his mind. For the media to take on such reports without a reference actually being confirmed, without anything to go by, is in itself extraordinary.